So for today's activity, you are going to need paper. You will get given different colour sheets. The bright colours can be used for your background. You should also have some glue, scissors, a pencil and templates for the shape of your face. You're going to start by cutting out the template for your face. Choose a colour which best represents your identity. To avoid having the edge shown, I would like you to use the opposite side of the face. Next, take your background colour and you are going to start by choosing again a colour for your hair, drawing a template for your hair. Now this has to be a very simple shape or outline. Use the face as a guide and cut this out. Think about your texture, think about any additional parts of your hair which you would like to add for detail afterwards. If you want to add a fringe, you may do this with an additional piece of paper. Again, use the shape of your face as reference. Sinem Erkas uses very simple shapes, so for your facial features I would like you to concentrate on just focusing on the outline. If you are doing your mouth, you may choose a suitable colour for your lips, and again I would use the edge of the paper so that you have the correct width of your mouth to start with. Use a very simple line for the shape of your lips. For any areas that are to be cut out, you will need to fold your paper and cut a slit in order for your scissors to cut out the center areas. Again, take your time and watch your fingers. For the teeth, you may simply use white paper and cut a rectangle shape so it covers the area of your mouth. You may need to snip off any edges or corners that might show. Alternatively, you can draw your mouth so it does not show your teeth and add pencil for detail. The pencil detail can be covered up with another tonal colour to give depth. If you would like to add any texture to your hair, i.e. curls, you will need to cut strips of paper. Use your scissors to curl each piece by dragging the scissors blade across the paper. You may need to do this several times for it to have the desired effect. For anything that you want symmetrical, like your glasses, can be drawn by doing one side, folding your paper before cutting, and then open it up. Again, you will need to remove the middle. Once complete, glue all parts into place. If you wish to add a nose as a feature that is 3D, you will need to draw, again, check the size and the measurements against your face. Draw the shape of your nose, the bottom part. You need to add tabs. And you are going to fold so it can glue to your face.